In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Canva. If you've ever been working on a Canva design and found that several elements are stuck together, moving as one big block, that means they've been grouped. Grouping is great when you want to keep things aligned, but sometimes you need to adjust just one part of that group. That's where ungrouping comes in, and it only takes a couple of seconds once you know where to look. First, open your Canva design in the editor, just like you normally would. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, anything you're working on. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the specific page where the grouped elements are located. Next, look for the elements that are behaving like a single unit. You'll notice that when you click on them, everything around that area is selected together rather than individually. That's your grouped object. Go ahead and click once on that group to select it. As soon as the group is selected, a small floating toolbar will appear near the selection, usually at the top or just above the group. This toolbar changes depending on what you've selected, but when it's a group, you should see an option that says Ungroup. Take a second to hover your mouse over the icons if you need to, just to make sure you're clicking the right one. Now, simply click on Ungroup. The moment you do this, Canva will separate that single group into its individual elements. You can test it right away by clicking on one of the items that used to be part of the group. You'll see that it now moves independently, and you can resize, rotate, or delete it without affecting the others. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even quicker way to ungroup. With the grouped element selected, press Ctrl plus Shift plus G if you're on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus G if you're on a Mac. This performs the exact same action as the ungroup button, but can be much faster once you get used to it. And that's it. Your elements are now ungrouped in Canva, giving you full control to edit each piece exactly how you want.